Alrighty, hey guys, how we doing? It is Trippy Trader coming at you with a market recap. Haven't done any this week. I started a new job, so I've been doing that. I made one Wednesday, but my mic was off the entire time. I didn't feel like making it, but I started this new job, selling cars. I like it so far. I'm still in training. My mic keeps beeping, that's why I'm doing this. But I'm still in training right now. I should start selling cars next week. Got to meet Steve Richards. He trained me Monday and Tuesday this week. Genius guy, great salesman. Uh, Definitely somebody to listen to if you're in the sales business. That's for sure. Anyways, let's get into the market recap. Now I have been watching the market and looking at it every day, even though I'm not trading or haven't done my videos. I've still been active in the market. But today was a range day, and the market finally broke the $3,000 level that we've been talking about all for the last probably month and a half right now. It's been running in the 2900 level. We finally broke 2900 level. We're now above the 3000s. 3000s holding pretty well. We hit 3000s yesterday. Did we? No, we hit 3000s today, I guess. Okay. No, we hit it yesterday. I knew we hit it yesterday because I made a trade yesterday. Yeah, we hit 3000s yesterday. Looks like this today was really not much at all, considering this is 9:30, and then this is the end of the day. So from what it looks like a slow day. Uh, what's up? What's up? Anyways, it looks like it was a pretty slow day. I didn't even realize it was this slow. So it's gonna be a quick recap. Well, we were holding above the 3,000 levels yesterday. I made a trade around here. Made a pretty good. It was a swing trade for the day. I was catching a swing. I kind of held a little longer than I wanted, but I still came out profitable. Could have took profit sooner when I was paying attention, but I was just messing around, seeing what things were doing. So yeah, we're still running through that level. We're 9:30 opened up. We tried making a new high, 3,024. Oh, what's up? We hit that high. It was a failed high. As soon as it reached that level, we sell it off. So we have some nice selling momentum. You got this green trend bar right here. So I wouldn't really necessarily take a short at this moment. I would definitely wait for a second entry or a failed second entry. I like waiting for failed breakouts because most breakouts fail. So anyways, we break out all the way down. As soon as the market opens, we got a nice little bounce right here. This would be the area where I would take that other scalp at. Now, you can tell in this area we have a bunch of volatility and a bunch of range in the candles because I mean look at every candle. We're looking at what is that? Here, I'm gonna get my cursor on. In the candles, we're looking at, you know, 6 ticks or 6 points on each candle. So I mean, you definitely can make your money quick, but you can also lose your ass quick and get stopped out. Now, when I would have taken this trade right here, I definitely would have taken this right here because you can tell that it opened up down here, right here, and at some point in the trade, it was all the way up here, and it closed all the way at the bottom. Got a huge nail coming in right there. That is a beautiful short. Definitely would take that. Uh, where's my chart marker? There it is. Definitely would take this trade, uh, for sure. Especially with this fail right here, you almost got a double top, close enough. So you got a double top at this point. We just broke the $3,000 level, so you got another runner right here that failed. So we're definitely looking for another sell-off with this huge range right there. I mean, this is just a giveaway. You could either take it right there, or you could well, I would definitely wait for this candle to have ended towards the end when there's like 200 ticks left or 100 ticks left, because that's the only way you would have been profitable in this situation, or even would have got in on it. I mean, I guess you could have got in right here and scalped all the way down, but I like to wait for it to confirm my trades. I like to wait till the candle at least is half full. So candle's half full at this point. Take that short, or you can wait till the next candle. Take the short, get another scalp, go down. You make your money already on this one candle. What is that? In like just 5 minutes, you already made your money for the day. What is this? Let's see how many points that is. A nice 4 point candle right there. If you could have got in on the bottom, you could have got in 7 points, which still is not a bad trade. I mean, 7 points is 28 ticks, so that's plenty. Uh, and then we got another runner up here. At this point, not sure if I would take a long in this position because, like I said, the volatility is huge in this market, or the ranges between each candle is a lot. So this candle right there, you got a runner right there, but at this point, with the sell-off and everything, you don't know what it's going to do. So it makes another retest at this point. You got a 1, 2, 3, almost triple top. Come back down, got a morning star. Morning star holds, price level holds, get another bounce up here. Would not take this buy, especially with the sell-off and this fail up here, but I did look for another run back up to this top is what I was looking for, but not enough price action for me to get in. And then, of course, that didn't happen, so like I said, the ranges in these candles are fucking ridiculous. So we have another sell-off at this point on this candle. Not really sure you could take this trade because, I mean, look at this range right there. Opens right here, at one point hits right there, closes right there. Same with this one, opens right here, closes right here, but, look at their range in between the candles. So, you're running with a bunch of volatility at this point. It's 11:30, I'm done trading. Sorry if I'm talking fast. But you got another push down here. Honestly, after this point, this is this kind of day right here, you know, there's not much price action going on unless you run about an 800 tick chart, which I'm going to do that real quick actually. I'm going to see what that looks like because maybe that'll help us get a few more trades. 800, it's loading. Let's see, not too bad, not too bad. Can't take that trade, of course, anymore. But yeah, I could say at this point on this candle right here, if you have a sell-off back down through here, this ain't a bad one. Uh, you could get in right there. If you're running it risky and you're still trading at this point, this wouldn't be a bad short. Wouldn't take this one. But you got another sell-off down here. You got a triple test. You got some support level. Bounces back up through here, gets a run towards the 21 moving average. 21 moving average fails. You got another sell-off to push back down to give you a quad top. You got a quad top at this point, but these ranges in these candles are too much. You can't really get in with anything. So, when you get in the candle, you're just trading the candle and hoping it runs through. There's no real price action at this point. Too many ranges. I like to trade with this kind of level of price action. Look at these candles compared to these. You're getting whiplash, you're getting stopped out on every trade, no matter what position you get in. You have a 4 point stop, you're getting stopped out every single candle. It's just not a market you want to be in at this point. So, I mean, today's not really a good day to make some scalps. I mean, you could take some ranges, but other than that, probably wouldn't have made any more than these two trades. I'm really picky about my trades anyways. But yeah, hopefully we hold a $3,000 level. We run back up and get some gains on the year because these last 4 months have been terrible. Alright, that's the end of the video. Have a good day.